Hello everyone. The WAP4 electric locomotive has been the workhorse for mainline passenger traffic on Indian Railways for the last 3 decades. This is my latest sound file creation to give voice to my scratch-built HO scale WAP4 model, and a tribute to one of the most beloved and my favorite Indian Railways electric locomotive, the Scarlet Red WAP4. The sound project is for LoCSound 5 decoders and built using original sound recordings and custom sound edits of stock ESU sounds. So let's take a listen. The locomotive has 2 startup sequences controlled by function button F1. A single press of F1 initiates a cold start with the flashing of the emergency light, followed by the sound of the auxiliary compressor, then the crackle of the pantograph touching the overhead electric wires, the hum of the transformer, and finally the turning on of the traction motor fans. In a cold start, the compressor also automatically plays to simulate the filling up of the brake line. The duration of the flashing of the emergency lights and the length of the auxiliary compressor sound are user-definable using sound CVs 1 and 2. Turning off the function button F1 shuts down the locomotive, and one can hear the fans turning off and the electric crackle of the pantograph releasing from the OHE wires. Double-clicking F1 sets the warm start for the locomotive, where it plays the electric crackle of the pantograph and the immediate start of the transformer and traction motor fans. The sound file has 4 WAP4 horns that can be played using function buttons F2, F3, F24 and F25. The air compressor can be played manually using function button F18, and different air release sounds using function button F19 and F22. Of course, these sounds also play automatically through the random function feature. The model features prototypical lighting controlled by individual function buttons, directional headlights with F0, flashing emergency lights with F13, and the white and red marker lights with F12, which are also directional. And finally, the locomotive has a custom brake squeal that plays when the model comes to a halt. So there you have it, a full functional WAP4 model locomotive sound file for LoCSound 5 decoders. Let me know in the comments what you think of this model, and happy modeling.